How long have you been here now?
12 years.
Yeah, 12 years a slave.
You're an idiot. At least I've only had to work with you for 2 years. It's been the best 2 years of my life, David.
Damn right it has.
The organisation is right up there, isn't it?
What's
Just what I do.
What do you actually do here anyway?
I do everything here. I am cook, chef,
Yes.
cleaner, accounts,
Dave PA.
telephone, Dave's PA, and his controller of money, which is
Not going too well.
No.
not going too great. It's really not. It's like a surprise at the end of the month when I get the credit card statement.
What brand is
Surprise!
Amazon are doing really well.
Yeah,
Really
all,
well.
all those billions of pounds worth of hype during lockdown was.
Jeff Bezos loves you.
Yeah, he does.
What's different about, what would you say is different about the ADS family? What's unique about it? Why are you still here?
Apart from the good coffee in our personalised mugs.
The wonderful mug.
Let's have a look.
Respect my beard. Okay.
It is
Respect the beard.
it's a very good beard, to be fair.
Okay.
Yeah, you do look after
Okay.
that. It's,
Well,
it's going strong, isn't it?
Kind of more homeless vibe, but you know.
Suits you.
So go on, what else do you think about working for ADS? What does it mean to work for ADS?
Honestly?
Yeah.
Oh, well, it's a lovely bunch of people, really. Everyone's lovely. You feel part of the family. You feel loved, cared for, respected.
Everyone's got each other's back.
Everyone has got each other's back. Yeah, no, it's generally a really lovely place to work, and we work on nice cars.
We do.
We have nice customers,
We do.
and yeah, it just works really nicely. Everything comes together at the end of the day. It might be a bit busy here and there, but we get through it all, and it comes out good.
We do it all.
We do it all,
All.
start to finish, don't we, Dave? Me and
Yes.
you, dream team.
Dream team.
Not those guys in there fixing the cars.
No, I mean,
it all happens here, really.
What do they really do? I mean, yeah.
It's all here. This is where the magic happens.
Honestly, and what do you think about the chosen one, your leader?
The leader.
Yeah, the Oracle.
Oh,
You know, Dave, the big man himself.
honestly, one word: mental.
Did we mention the cups?
Did we mention the cups?
Did
Actually,
we?
yeah.
Yeah.
There you
The
go.
cups.
The cups.
I mean,
Yeah.
I was looking for words like inspiring.
They are inspiring.
They are inspiring
Yeah.
mugs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Inspiring, generous. He's such a timely person as well.
Well,
isn't he?
there is that.
He's always on time.
Give an example.
He's
There is
never late.
Never.
Never. Leads
Apart-
by example.
Apart from all those times. Yeah, we don't talk about
No,
those.
we don't talk about those.
Nah,
No,
don't
we
need
just
to.
skim right
Don't
over
need
the
to.
top of that. No, we don't need
Let's talk
to
about that.
dwell on that too much. No, but
He's got a big heart.
he has got a big heart.
I've told him we should see the doctor about that, but
What about you, Dave? What's your story? Why are you here?
oh, well, apart from those few years ago, we're not allowed to talk about that. But I work here, so that's good. Someone took me on. Yeah.
I think it makes sense that there's so many different types of personalities in this building, but we've all got equal amounts of crazy.
Crazy is matched on a very level playing field.
Yeah, I think it's a requirement on everyone's CV that there has to be a level of crazy.
Instability. Apart from me, I'm perfectly normal.
Have they found the body yet, Dave, or not?
What? I don't know what he's talking about.
These mugs, though, Dave,
These mugs.
they're amazing.
I mean, you came from a main dealer background. You used to work for a very large vehicle manufacturer.
I did.
What was the difference between
Oh,
working there and working here?
night and day. Night and day. The main dealers, it's all about figures. Which I understand, big companies, they've got big overheads, but when you work down here, it's about us as people. It's about the customer. It's about doing the best job we can, and that's really what you can say about it. To be honest, it's just a great place to be. There's not a day.
You're trying to tell me that GLR was.
Yeah.
Did not love that, no.
Not
Or even JLR.
Or even JLR.
JLR, even. Yeah, that one.
That one. But you know, listen.
Don't name any names. Major Volkswagen.
Don't know what you're talking about. Don't know what you're talking about.
But in terms of the way you were treated, you were brought on here for your skills, expertise, your organisational genius. Yeah. But you were treated.
Yes, I am a genius.
You were treated differently.
Well, that's been recognised.
You were treated differently, weren't you, Dave?
Oh, completely differently. Completely differently. It's like I say, it's like night and day, really. I mean, you're just a number to a big company, whereas here, it's like I say, exactly. It's just about being part of the family and providing the best service we can. For all our, like I said, lovely customers, and I don't have a day where I don't get up and think, I can't be bothered. Quite happy to come into work because they're the only employer that'll take me.
Nice mugs though, aren't they, David?
Yeah, by the way, my CV, don't worry about what it says on the conviction. That's not an issue anymore.
They've not found the body yet, have they, Paul?
I have no idea what they're on about.
I don't know what they're on about either, Annette.
No. More importantly, listen, the most important thing, what we're having for dinner today.
There is that, it's a very good question.
I have just made sandwiches.
Other than the 2 sandwiches I have just eaten. Had 2.
Just with 3 words.
There's just larger portions on there.
There's a spare one.
There isn't anymore.
Maybe not.
What about the company policy if it's over 23 degrees? What about
if it's over 23 degrees, barbecue.
Mandatory.
Mandatory.
That's actually now company policy.
That has to be abided to. It's law, almost, you might say.
It's written in, isn't it?
It's written in. It's written in. Yeah, you've got.
It's in the contract. It's in the contract. I know.
Write that in there now.
23 degrees. 23 degrees. Barbecue.
Just pass it over to just pass it to HR.
HR sign that off. Hold on. Signed. Done. See? That's how it works. It's amazing.
It's as easy as that.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's my pay slip, by the way? When we get that, just write some figures on there.
Don't forget to say great rates of pay and Dave's the best guy ever. Please don't forget to get that in.
Alright, say that, yeah. Thanks, guys.
Great rates of pay.
Great rates of pay.
Something about the boss. Boss.
Dave.
Oh, awesome.
Awesome job.
Good.
Dave's
job.
amazing.
He's amazing. Amazing.
Yes, David.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Brilliant
guy. Happy guy.
Yeah. Is that enough?
I think so.
Yeah.
I can give it a rest now.
Enough of that.